Hi, my name is Khoil Daniel, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how to build a website with no code. For a very long time, we have been building websites using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But now you can simply build a website with no code like Shopify, WordPress, Squarespace, and other builders. And in this video, I'm going to tell you what path you should use, like what builders you should use, and what price point, and what features you should consider according to your need. So let's get started with this video. So the first thing you need to know is what is a website. Well, website is a showcase, a platform where you write your URL and people can search you all around the world. If you sell your services or products and you sell it on your social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter, and you do not have a website, well, you are going to lose lots of leads and lots of sales because nowadays people just simply search on Google and the first thing that comes are the website at the top and at the bottom. And if you do not have a website, you can lose a lot of clients. And the other thing is that you can showcase your CV and you can showcase your designs. If you are a designer, you can showcase your portfolio on websites. So that's the point of having a website. The second thing is if you are a creator. If you're a creator, designer, a publisher, and you post your things on social media platforms like LinkedIn, you would still need a website because it's a great platform where people can come and read your articles. They can see your design. So that's the point of having a website. The third thing is that if you are an entrepreneur, you want to sell your products that are physical products or digital products, you would need a website where people can come and buy through their cards, their banking system through online. So that's the point of having a website if you are an entrepreneur. So there are three different paths that I want to tell you to showcase your stuff or to publish your content or to sell your products based on your need. So based on the recommendation, the number one path is to publish your content. So Blogger.com and Subtract.com, these are the both free platforms where you can publish your content easily and totally free. You do not need to worry about making your website and you do not even need to worry about to buy domain. But if you want, you can buy your own domain like www.khoyadanel.com and you can publish your content. Plus, Subtract has a newsletter subscription. If people like your content and they have subscribed to your newsletter, whenever you publish your content, they will get your content easily and fast. Plus, to make your website, if you do not want to design it, you can have a lot of free templates on WordPress that you can use easily. So let's get to the part number two, which is I want to showcase my services and my portfolio on website. And for that, I have two different levels. And level number one, which is easy, is that there's a great platform called Card where you can upload your portfolio and you can showcase your services. And the premium feature that you can get is for only $19, which is the best you can get in the market. And the great thing is that you have already made templates that you can use to showcase your portfolio to make your website easily. And these templates will make your conversions very fast. That is what's best about this builder card. So level two is Squarespace and Wix. Well, you can also sell your products and digital products on your Wix or Squarespace website because you have WooCommerce option on that. You can add your digital payment system like a blockchain system or card system like MasterCard or Visa card through there. And you do not need to change any web hosting. You can get it on Wix easily on cheaper price. So the third and the last part is I want a website so I can sell my stuff. So it really depends on you what you want to sell. Do you want to sell digital products or do you want to sell physical products? If you want to sell physical products, then I will recommend you Shopify. You may have seen many ads of Shopify. They have very great builder for making website. They have templates. Plus, you can link your product with your warehouse to your website. Plus, you can add payment plans. There are lots of payment plans. You can even add crypto payment plan to your Shopify builder. And now for digital products, and for the last digital products, you can use Podia. It only costs $39 per month. Plus, you will have great templates that will get you conversion. It's really easy to make website on Podia, and you can sell your digital product easily on Podia. It's really fast website builder. Your website will be fast, people will open it, they will buy, and you will get your sale. So you know all the features and the price of this website builder, so you can decide what website builder you want to use. I hope it really makes up to your mind to make a website so it can help you in your career. So if you like this video, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon. It will really help me to boost my videos to other people who want the help. Bye. I will see you next video.